Welcome to this video on DT schedule. So finally, after a wait and lot of waits, we have the DT schedule is out. So again, it's not a complete schedule. We have got few information and rest everything I'm taking as a tentative date just to give an idea. All right. So online registration of application, which is document verification, starts from May 15th. So probably that next week. So May 15th to June 3rd is going to be your document verification. So you have to physically go to the DT facility center FCs and get your documents verified. Fine. So after that, so once that is done, so 5th of June they will give you a provisional merit list. Fine. Now your rank will change a little bit because a lot of people who have claimed to be in the reservation but they don't have the enough certificates, they become open seats, and a lot of other things. A lot of changes will happen. So you will get a final merit list by 5th of June. Now here you will get ranks. You will get a All India rank that CET out of 90,000 people applied. Your rank is let's say 1,000. Out of that 1,000 rank, that's the rank number one. You'll get rank number two, which is going to be a state rank. In Maharashtra, this is your rank. Then you get a third rank, which is a university rank. Fine. In Mumbai University, this is your rank. And your category rank, open category rank is this, which is the main rank. The open category rank or SC OBC category rank is the main rank which we're going to look forward for the next rounds. Fine. If you have any complaints to them, you can register in the next 2 days by 6 and 7 June. Fine. Everything is going to be online. So display of the final merit list is 10th of June. This is the schedule they have published as of now on their website. 10th of June, we know the final merit list will be out, where we'll get all the list and final list. Fine. After all the changes they have done, if anybody have complaints. Okay. After that, schedule is not yet posted, so I'm extrapolating the data based on last year data. So this year everything happening 1 week in advance. So expectedly, so display of the cap round 1 will happen on 15th of June. Fine. So you have to start submitting your online application from 16th of June to the 20th of June. That is your main date. In short, you have to just visit the FC center once now and you have to fill this. So in next 2 months, next 45 days, these are the only two activities you have to do. Apart from that, you are enjoy, do your job, do whatever you're doing, enjoy, keep enjoying. We have no more activities lined up for you. After that, we'll start the provisional round. So round cap round 1, cap round 2, cap round 3, cap round 4 will continue till 18th of July. Okay. Reporting time to the allocated is from 1st of August to 5th of August is the reporting time to the college. So you have to pay the fees and everything by that time. So as of now, we have only got this information, which is used to verify your documentation and all. And then after that, we'll start the cap round. So whatever is going to happen in the cap rounds, I'll publish in another video. Let the final dates come out. Let the final process come out. What kind of process they're going to have this year, because the process changes every year. All right. If any more question to me, you can ask me on Facebook, facebook.com/Raghavan. And please do subscribe to our video so all that updates come to you, because this is a very critical phase, especially the cap rounds. So I will be with you to guide through all the cap rounds. Fine. And you can also post in comment box if you have any more comments. I'll happy to reply. All right. All the best. Thank you.